Hello everybody. I decided since I'm going to be doing live streaming, my live stream PC is a little bit anemic, so Amazon needs to learn to put stuff in boxes. Oh, smashered. This is horrible. Well, I will be opening this right now. See if it survived. I don't see it sealed or anything, so let's... Amazing there's no seal. I think it might have survived. We have a main board. What's in here? Wi-Fi antenna. Serial ATA cables. I believe that's like an RGB cable or something. You don't get much with these anymore. It's like it's got some standoff. Stickers. Yeah, I was trying to get a main board that had all the features I needed all in one board, but I was so close. Key. We will boot this up. I'm not going to do an assembly video. Maybe I should do a live assembly video of assembling the computer. But we're going to pair that with a 990.
I'm not quite sure how to help you with that.
Yeah. Then we have 64 gig RAM. Got a low pro cooler. And the brains of the operation will be a 7950X. I think that's going to be a good base for the streaming PC. Graphics card, not sure what I want to do on that yet. So we'll get to that when we get to that. So we'll catch y'all later.